Hello friends, welcome to Target GS, and in this video we're going to talk about what is judicial activism. So judicial activism is the use of judicial power to enforce what is beneficial for the society in general and people at large. And in judicial activism, the jurist, they have the right to strike down any legislation or a rule which is against the constitution. Okay, in simple terms, it is a trend where the courts exercise their powers to examine the issues which go beyond the traditional parameters of concerns. And these traditional parameters in India's constitutional framework include ensuring that the executive and legislative acts are not violating fundamental rights, ensuring that the legislature is acting within its competence, that is, those tasks assigned to them by the constitution itself, and ensuring that the government is shaping public policy to fulfill its responsibilities under the constitution. However, when the judiciary in India exercises its judicial review powers that go beyond these traditional parameters of judicial concerns, then it is called as judicial activism. And remember that in India, judicial activism is a part of judicial review. And judicial activism as a trend began in the year 1990s as the judiciary was called upon to intervene in the context of careless and arbitrary governance. And here access to the courts was open to the poor and disadvantaged sections through PIL, that is public interest litigations. And also Supreme Court became an active participant in providing the social justice. And from exam point of view, remember that the Golaknath case is an excellent example of judicial activism. So from mains point of view, you will get a question like what are the reasons for judicial activism. Then you can write all these points, that is near collapse of responsible government, pressure on judiciary to step in aid, judiciary to participate in social reform and change, legislative vacuum left open, authority to make final declaration as per validity of the law, and role of judiciary as a guardian of the fundamental rights, and public confidence in the judiciary. So write all these points if you get a question on this topic. So judicial activism in India is gaining prominence in the present days, mainly in the form of PIL, that is public interest litigations, where citizens are getting access to the justice. But the judiciary cannot take over the functions of executive, and judicial activism does not mean governance by the judiciary, and judicial activism must also function within the limits of the judicial process only. So that is all about the judicial activism. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.